guys, so we are in Fresno right now at the Vientiane Market, and this is actually one of our little markets that provides lots of stuff for Lao products. If you guys need anything for sticky rice, to make papaya salads, to like get the coconut, shredded coconut thing, so and so this yeah, this is, so if you're in Fresno, if you need, this is pretty much your go-to place. You can get sticky rice baskets. You can actually have lots of platters here that you can get from, these are all from Thailand and Laos. So yeah. And look at this wok. There's some straight deep frying stuff. So if you guys are here, and also thanks for Vientiane. She's sponsoring this, little road trip where we have. So Vientiane attorney at law. So let's go inside. They also make copies for keys. Frozen foods, and they have things, trinkets and stuff like that. Let's see, like ornaments and stuff for your car.
It's nice.
This is for performers, or if you go to any kind of like festivals and stuff like that, so you can do little knickknacks. Like if you can't put your hair in a bun, you can buy this thing and put it on your head like this for the loud bun.
Cool. And you get stuff from Asia if you want. Like, things you can't find in a regular supermarket. This thing's nice.
Yeah, these are nice.
This thing right here. What are these? Binto.
That's when you go to the temple and you put food. So it's like a little to-go basket, and you put foods and trays in there. Yeah.
Okay, that's it.